go, baby. Let's get this done. Woo!
Man, I couldn't wait to get certified.
To public safety, drones are here to stay. But how do you get started? The first step is to get your Part 107 certificate from the FAA. Pilot Institute has trained over 55,000 remote pilots. We guarantee you'll pass the exam or get your money back. The course covers everything you'll need to know for the exam, with over 15 hours of videos, 5 hours of audio review, flashcards, unlimited practice exams, and interactive models. With over a 99% pass rate, you're in good hands, and we'll see you in the course.
The Pilot Institute is one of the best options to get yourself certified as a remote pilot in command of a small unmanned aircraft system, i.e. a drone. You do have to put in the work. I did for about 2 months. I may have taken long, but it's all worth it. It's the morning of the test. I'll be testing at 9 o'clock. Test day. Whew. Okay, I plan to come in around 30 minutes before testing, so trying to make all the possible steps just to not ruin my concentration and to retain all that I've studied for in the past several weeks. So yeah, pretty excited.
I swear, this could be the cheesiest, dorkiest, nerdist start of the morning for you, Mr. Mallory. Woo! Part 107, here I go! Of course, I got ticketed because I was nervous. Of all the days I need to get ticketed, it has to be today. That's what Top Gun does to you. Irony of ironies. My gosh. Oh my goodness. Man, I can't believe you got me. But what the heck? Funny things in life, right? Take 2. Let's do this! Should be here somewhere, next to the airport, right? Brackett Field. Alright, let's go. There's my testing site.
Two hours later.
It's a pass! Yeah, baby! 95%. Some gotcha questions there. Declaration of compliance. Kind of got me. Airport signs? Where will you find the meaning of those airport signs? When you're under, time pressure or whatever, and you're in the exam, you're kind of thinking, information manual. I didn't study that. I kind of got under my radar, but I wasn't familiar with the answers that I've made, but I just answered to the best that I can. Some gotcha class E questions, like obstacles that you'll find. The coordinates. So there's a dashed red line that runs parallel to the coordinates line of the true north. Isogonic. It's a magnetic deviation line. So I hope I'm correct. Anything else fresh out of my test, so that way I don't forget and you guys could kind of go over. So 45 degrees midway to the downwind of the airport. Crew resource management, risk management, what's aeronautical decision making, some obstacles in the area, and how legally you can fly, where to get authorizations, some CTAFs. If you are in a location that's 10,000 feet, mean sea level, it doesn't say you are encroaching in an airspace. I'm kind of thinking Class B airspace ceiling. Jeez. So I just answered, screw this. Just I'm gonna answer under 400 feet AGL. I mean, that's the That's the allowable standard anyway, right? Not sure if that's correct, but I'm gonna go over my notes. And I was kind of thinking about the non-controlled airspace, because that's wherever we can fly, right? So I'm not sure if my answer is right or wrong, because I answered under 400 feet AGL. So it makes you think about it. But I'm gonna go over my notes and see what's the closest answer there. So yeah, those are the things I remember. These are still fresh from my memory. I just had it from this really nice testing site. I was the only one, or there were two of us at least, when I was about to wrap up. And take your time. I took my time. I was kind of, you know, iffy about my answers. But then after the second round of reviewing my answers, I finished early. I finished like an hour after my initial answers. So I was able to have time to go over my answers and review them and check over all the figures and stuff and second guess some of the answers I've made. But it ended up working for me. It's 95%, baby. So I'm so happy. My next step is to apply for the certification process and maybe go over some drones. Tell me what you could recommend, and I'd be happy to look over them and see some reviews. Happy day! Not because I was ticketed. Nothing can take this away from me, baby. Congrats to all the ones who've passed, and good luck to all those who's gonna take their exams as well.